In yet another alarming incident of poor planning and oversight, a road near a construction site in Miramar, close to Lakeview Colony, caved in earlier today. The incident unfolded amidst ongoing rainfall, raising serious concerns over drainage and construction safety.
Okay, we are here right now at Miramar near La Kampala Colony, and a section of a road near a construction site has caved in. Now, as you can see, this entire construction site is filled with water, and this is the part of the road that has collapsed. Now, there are no officials here, the PWD or any of that sort. It is the people at the construction site now who are seemingly putting bags of sand and cement straight into the ditch. There are pipelines, there are wires. So now there are several questions that arise here. One is, how can a private entity do works on a public road? That too when it concerns the stability of it. They are pumping in cement and bags of sand right underneath the road, where there are several cables and pipelines that are passing through. Now, it's unclear what exactly is the government stance on this, because there are no authorities here, no cops, and no official over here who can be seen, at least for now. This again is near the La Kampala Colony. Now, with the red alert issued for the state, it is bound to be raining heavy, especially in a place like Panjim. And the concerning matter here is, now they are pouring concrete right in the middle of the rains, right when a red alert has been issued, and this is being used now to stabilize the road. So how far is it going to be safe, and how far is this supposed to hold on to, given the fact that the construction site near the road itself is still flooded with water? As you can see, there are pipelines that are being covered with cement. There seems to be a pipeline that is also broken. And this is the water from the construction site that is right now eating away at the road.
थर्ड क्लास आणि अशा परिस्थितीन चल्ला की इट इज गोइंग टू पोज डेंजर टू नॉट जस्ट पीपल ऑफ पॅन्जिम, बट जो नॉर्मल काम करता तांकां सुद्दां त्रास जातले. आणि ताजो हांवें शेजिलाक फोन इनफॅक्ट हांव हांगा रावलो, आणि आज आमी ती परिस्थिती पळयला. हांगा रस्तो हो नवो केल्लो रस्तो, इमॅजीन स्मार्ट सिटी अंडर हो काम करता. इमॅजीन ताजी स्थिती पळय कितली. हे जर रातचें घडलेलें काळखान जाल्यार ही आता मिरामारची इलाइट कॉलनी, मोस्ट सोफिस्टिकेटेड कॉलनी ऑफ मिरामार, तांकां हें दिसना काय अशें दिसपाक लागलां की पणजेकारांक हें दिसना. मी पळयलां हांगा कोणीय केन्नाय पडूंक शकतालो, आनी आज परिस्थिती अशी आसा की तो रस्तो कोसळटा. ते व्हडले ते कामगार काम करता खरें, बट दॅट स्लॅब कॅन फॉल ऑन देम.
This happened few months ago, and they built a wall that side. There are residents who have come today and worried now that don't you know, if one side collapses, there's a tendency this side also will collapse. Who are these contractors who are given this permission? Are they licensed, or they are here to do even more destruction? Where is the mayor? Where are the supervisors? Where are the PWD people? No one is here. We are come here, we are asking what has happened. When will our elected representatives open up their eyes and check for proper permission? This is a risk to life. This is a risk to all the people surrounding in the area. This is one of the oldest La Kampala areas, an elite area, but like this, it's a shame for these elected representatives who are here for the last 15 years who are ruling over here. This is a shame. Where are they? Who do we hold accountable?
Electricity pole is in the air.
And the electricity pole is hanging in the air. This is how bad it is. It's hanging in the air. You can go closer and see it's hanging in the air.
Hey, Piyush. You don't go closer. Piyush, you know how to see this one. Don't go closer. He's another resident.
country planning should be responsible. The guy who has signed for this, whoever signed for this should be made responsible for this particular event. I don't care who it is. It is permission and how the authority has failed to understand that this will happen. I'm not interested in taking any sides. I'm apolitical, but I want to say clearly that the authorities who have given permission should be taken to book. It could be a municipal engineer, it could be anybody.
Very precise, totally agree with you.
Dylan Rodriguez, Subhashish Govekar and Muzaif Shaikh for Goa 365.